Right, good morning. It's time to wake Boo up from his sleep overnight. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning. Let's keep him awake. Hello, Boo. Hello. You in there? You in there? Oh, yeah, I can hear you. I can hear you. How are you doing? Did you sleep well? Hmm? You did. You wanted to come out? Right? You wanted to come out? Oh. Getting active. Okay, let's just put your playpen on top. There you go. Right then. You coming out? You coming out?
Boo's allowed out of his cage all day unless we have to go out somewhere.
Good little Budgie. Here you go. Come on then. Come on. Up. You coming up? Yeah, good boy. Say hello. Good morning. Good morning. Playing with your toys? Good boy.
As you can see, Boo loves to throw his chains off the table. Now, I'm always picking them off the floor. He's just done it now, and I'm going to pick them up and put them back on again, and he's bound to throw them off again later on. Here we go again with the chains. He's just going to finish off with his bike, and he's going to come across and see what mischief he can cause here. I think it's the sound and the movement of the chains that gets him so excited. This time they get stuck halfway and he has to give them another helping hand.
Hello. Is it good? Yeah, it's good, isn't it?
I sometimes think he's got too many toys on the table here. He just doesn't know what to go to next, does he?
Hello. What are you doing? Good morning. I know, it's good morning. I've bought Boo a new toy, a shredding toy. Haven't I, Boo? Look, you've not played with it yet, have you? Huh? You pull the paper out, look. And you can shred it. You like shredding things, don't you? Hmm? Look. It's even got a chain on it. Look, you can hang it up in your cage. What do you think? Hmm? Do you think you might play with that? Huh? Mm. Oh, biscuits. You know biscuits. Hello, Granny. Granny's not here. Get your floofy chops. Hmm? Do you like that? You do?
It's a sure sign of trust when the Budgie allows you to do this.
You like your floofy chops being floofed? More? Oh, okay. Good little Budgie.
Good morning.
Some food, haven't we, eh? We've got to sort you out some food. What should we get you out, then? Right, we're going to get you some celery out, aren't we? Alright.
Boo always takes a keen interest in food preparation. Just look at him.
Oi. some pellets for you, haven't we? Here, look, pellets. Do you want to try them? You do. I'll put some in there. Got a mixture of seeds here for you, Boo, haven't we? Put some seeds in there for you. Some of these, you like these as well, don't you? Yeah.
Having just the one budgie, I think it's important to spend as much time during the day as you can with them, and just play with them and talk to them whenever you can.
Look, you can see the birdies in the garden, Boo.